Precision is another major advantage. Robots perform intricate tasks with accuracy. This reduces defects and improves product quality. Cost savings are significant. Fewer workers mean lower labor costs. The factory requires less energy to operate. Materials are used more efficiently. All of this contributes to a healthier bottom line. The $100 million factory demonstrates the power of AI to transform manufacturing. Section 4. Navigating the challenges. Job displacement and system risks. The rise of AI in manufacturing is not without its challenges. While automation brings efficiency and precision, it also introduces significant concerns that need to be addressed. Job displacement is a major concern. As more tasks become automated, many workers find themselves at risk of losing their jobs. As machines become more sophisticated, they replace human workers. This shift can lead to a significant reduction in the need for human labor in certain industries. This can lead to unemployment and social unrest. Communities that rely heavily on manufacturing jobs may face economic hardships. Another challenge is the risk of system malfunctions. AI systems are complex, and despite their advanced capabilities, they are not infallible. They can be vulnerable to errors or hacking. Cybersecurity threats pose a significant risk to the stability and safety of automated systems. A system failure can disrupt production and cause significant losses. The impact of such disruptions can be far-reaching, affecting supply chains and overall business operations. Addressing these challenges is crucial. It requires a collaborative effort from engineers, IT specialists, and management teams to ensure systems are robust and secure. Governments and businesses need to prepare for the impact of AI on the workforce. This includes creating policies that support workers and promote sustainable economic growth. Investing in retraining and education programs is essential. By equipping workers with new skills, we can help them transition to new roles and reduce the negative impact of job displacement. Section 5. The next industrial revolution, AI's transforming touch. The $100 million factory is just the beginning. AI and automation are poised to revolutionize manufacturing in the coming years. Factories will become even more intelligent and interconnected. Three-dimensional printing will enable the creation of customized products on demand. Supply chains will be optimized for maximum efficiency. This will lead to a new era of personalized, on-demand manufacturing. The possibilities are endless. The future of manufacturing is here. It is driven by the power of artificial intelligence,